Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Denim is one type of cotton warp-face twill fabric in which the weft yarn pass under two or more warp yarn and produce a diagonal line. In this video, I will show you 10 differences between knit denim fabric and woven denim fabric. At first, we will know what is knit denim fabric. Knit denim fabric can be explained as a fabric that is formed by the folding yarn into loops and rewiring them together in order to make a fabric by interlocking the loop with each other. Knit denim fabric has some special characteristics such as flexibility, softness, wrinkle resistance, comfortable. Now we will know what is woven denim fabric. Woven denim fabric is formed by the putting together two or more strands of yarn that are perpendicular to each other and weave in 90-degree angle. The vertical yarn are called warp yarn and horizontal yarn are called weft yarn. Now we will know differences between knit denim fabric and woven denim fabric. In this video, I am show you most 10 differences between knit denim fabric and woven denim fabric. Number 1. Knit denim fabric is formed by the folding yarn into loop in order, then this loop interlocking each other to form a fabric. On the other hand, woven denim fabric is formed by putting together two or more set of yarn that are perpendicular to each other. Number 2. Knit denim fabric is much thicker and soft, but woven denim fabric is less thicker and soft. Number 3. Knit denim fabric has a complicated three-dimensional structure, but woven denim fabric has no complicated three-dimensional structure. Number 4. Knit denim fabric show higher air permeability value, but woven denim fabric show lower air permeability. Number 5. The thermal resistance of knit denim fabric is higher, but the thermal resistance of woven denim fabric is lower. Number 6. The moisture transport properties of knit denim fabric is fairly good, but the moisture transfer properties of woven denim fabric is poor. Number 7. Peeling resistance of knit denim fabric is poor. Peeling resistance of woven denim fabric is better than knit denim. Number 8. Knit denim fabric show good wrinkle resistance, but woven denim fabric show poor wrinkle resistance. Number 9. In case of knit denim fabric, extensibility and stretch is higher, but in case of woven denim fabric, extensibility and stretch is low. Number 10. Knit denim fabric comfortable to wear and price is cheaper than the woven denim fabric. But in case of woven denim fabric, we see that it's less comfortable and the price is higher than the knit denim fabric. Dear viewers, these are the 10 differences between knit denim fabric and woven denim fabric. If you not understand any point from 10 differences between knit denim fabric and woven denim fabric, please comments me. I will explain you. Please share my video and support me. You share and support inspire me to make the video. So that's all today. Allah Hafiz.